Home Discomforts is an exhibition about the future of social reproduction and life in the home, particularly in the face of the climate crisis, scarce resources, and new energy regimes. So it asks questions such as how will we feed each other, stay comfortable, care for one another in the face of those future challenges. And it's called Home Discomforts because it comes from the assumption that it is here in Europe and in other overdeveloped regions of the world where we will need to let go of some of the comforts that we're used to. And this exhibition asks more about what is good enough or what is sufficient, and how can we redesign our behaviours and our habits and our domestic routines in order to kind of lessen the work on the individual, but also lessen the demand for energy and resources in the first place.
For the exhibition Home Discomfort at Viper Gallery here in Prague, we made the installation to stools, and it all happened within the framework of the Lina community that we are quite grateful for.
Our work connects domestic infrastructure with bodily experiences of temperature, of warm and cold. It's about negotiations and inner dialogue that we always have within our bodies of sweating and freezing and feeling warm and cold. It challenges the way how comfort is produced and experienced, and instead of framing it onto an average body, we wanted to speculate a bit about this personal experience of comfort.
Drying and Moisture Performance is an installation produced by London-based Edit, which I am a part of. And it's an installation that shows the lengths to which we go to dry our laundry indoors in London, in the UK. And in London, so-called washing line bans are really prevalent. So those are regulations that prevent residents from hanging laundry outside to preserve the image of a building. But then residents are also discouraged from drying indoors because it produces unhealthy levels of moisture, which can result in damp and mold indoors. So there's a kind of proliferation of mechanic means and really large and cumbersome objects. But it's an imperfect solution. And really this project is about the inadequacy of private solutions to public problems. And this installation uses a working dehumidifier, which extracts moisture from air and then drips it back onto the t-shirt. So this project really questions how much the private home can handle and whether there are more public and convivial ways to handle work such as domestic laundry.
It's been a hard lesson, but I think we've all made peace with this now. I just wish we could have learnt it a little sooner.